Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making a DIY golden/metallic slime. And whoever wants a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe and turn on your notifications so you'll never miss a video. So to make our slime, we will need any kind of glue. I used Crazy Art glue and poured half of the glue to a bowl. Next, I added a little bit of hand soap, and any kind of hand soap is going to work for this type of slime. Then I added two different kind of paint so it can be close to gold and metallic. Then I added a little bit of gold glitter and just mix everything up. Then I added a little bit more of paint so it can be close to the golden and metallic colors, and just mixing all that up until I get the color that I want. Then I added a little bit of eye contact lens solution and mixing all that up, and a little bit of shaving cream so it can be a little bit fluffy, and just mixing all that up. Then I added a little bit more of eye contact lens solution and just mixing all that up, and a little bit of hand soap and mixing all that up again, and a little bit more of eye contact lens solution and mixing everything up, and a pinch of baking soda and a little bit more of eye contact lens solution, and just mixing all that up until I get the consistency that I want for my slime. Then I added golden glitter. It can be optional if you want to put golden or any other different color that you want. After making our slime, we are now fully ready to play with our DIY golden/metallic slime. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos.